Hello friends, welcome to this channel. In this video, I will show you and tell you how you can easily enable location for weather app. Friends, please subscribe to this channel, write your comments at the end of the video and also put your likes. So let's go ahead and let us get started with you. And if you want that you always when you want in the application weather, you will immediately show you the weather for your area and so that you cannot look for some city in this application. Then you need to enable location. How to do this, I will show you now. To do this, you need to go to your phone settings. After that, scroll down and find the Privacy and Confidentiality section. Then here you will select the very first item, which is location. And the first thing you need to do here is to make sure that you have location activated. That is, if it's off, then you'll just need to activate it. Next, scroll down to the bottom and find the weather app. Tap on it. And here you'll be able to select when you want to enable location in the weather app. I have that selected as always, or you can also choose two of the previous options as well. For example, always when you open the app, or always when you use the app and weather. And that way, friends, you'll have location activated in the weather app. I really hope this video was useful for you and helped you. Please put your likes, write your comments, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and see you soon.